guys, thank you so much for clicking onto my channel. So first I'm gonna go ahead and start with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, which I've been using for about a month now, and I am totally in love with this. It really fills in my pores and it really makes my face feel so soft and look so matte. So I like to add a base before adding my foundation. So I'm using the contour stick here from Wet n Wild in the color Where's Walnut, which I actually got to contour with, but as you can see, it's actually too light for my skin, so I just ended up using it as the base. I mean, I spent the money on it, so why not use it, right? So just blending all over, and yeah. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with the Sephora 10-Hour Perfection Foundation in the color 57, which it claims to be give a light coverage. However, it is definitely buildable. I'm gonna first apply that with the foundation brush, and then next I will apply it with a beauty blender. Alright, so next to conceal, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe just to conceal under my eye before highlighting. Alright, so next I'm going to highlight with the Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer in the color Ginger Snap. So I had to go back to wet my beauty blender because I forgot to wet it. That's why my hand is so wet here. I'm just going to be setting everything here with my NYC translucent powder. To contour my nose, I'm using one of the darkest brown shade from the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use that same dark eyeshadow to contour my cheeks as well. Right, onto my favorite part, but first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. So for my transition color, I'm gonna take a orange tone color and add that all over it. Alright, so next I'm gonna go ahead and take a neutral color and add it right below the crease, but not too low though. Alright, using a flat brush, I'm going to get the copper color and just add that all over my lid. Anyways, don't mind me, just in my own little world listening to The Weeknd. With that same neutral color, I'm just gonna go back in and blend in between, that way there's no harsh line. Alright, so next I'm going to add a little bit of blue, shimmery blue in my waterline with an eyeshadow brush. Alright, so next I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetic pressed powder to dab that all over my face. This really helps my makeup last longer throughout the day. Alright, so next I'm going to highlight using this eyeshadow slash highlighting palette that I got from e.l.f. a while back. Alright, so next I'm going to line my lips using the NYX matte lip liner in the color Club Hopper. I am obsessed with this color. I usually just use it by itself and for my whole lips, but today I'm just using it as a liner. Right, last I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Lip and the color Mochalicious. It stays matte throughout the day, and I love how it does not clump up either, which is definitely a plus.